Whoa!
It was lined up.
There we go.
This might take a while, right? It's gonna be.
Apparently so.
That was a short ride.
Yeah. I'm still gonna ride this. First experience. Hey, that's great right here.
Maybe they went on lunch break. Oh, someone has their cell phone out? Who would do something like that, Tristan?
Said somebody took out their phone.
Yeah. Do, 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 do. Well, whoever has it out probably couldn't hear her because I could barely hear her. The speaker's way up there. This is the smoothest, most relaxing roller coaster I've ever been on.
Yeah.
Ah.
Our game might be lagging and it just looks like we're not going.
Yeah. I guess somebody back there is still on their phone. I don't know. I can't see behind me.
No, you're not really.
We had to get a cell phone. You're not stuck. You guys, everything's fine. We stopped
Yeah.
it on purpose to get a cell phone.
Yeah, I heard that. Thank
okay,
you.
Just making sure you know.
All right.
Thank you.
See, we're good. We've got that whole incident on video. No, that's the best part. So teach our fellow viewers not to do that. Okay, after that crisis, the ride has seemed to have resumed.